in there. We haven't even started yet. That was probably my least favorite flight ever with the baby. She slept a little bit, but not enough. So now she's tired. Yeah, you're tired, huh? Did you tire, baby? Tire, baby. I know. She wants my magic band. We're number 9. You say Minnie? Minnie. Yeah. She said roof roof. She says she doesn't say roof roof, but that's okay.
Roof roof. See Minnie Mouse? Not a J, just J. Mouse?
No, it's good. Well on you.
The most magical place on earth. Let's have a big cheer for Walt Disney World.
We'll never want to leave, but we know that day will come, so let's take a few minutes.
This hotel is beautiful. I've stayed at the French Quarter, Port Orleans French Quarter, but I've never stayed at Riverside. But we got all checked in and that's good. Elizabeth's been about 70% of the time been screaming. So it's been a little stressful, but it's okay. Yeah, look how cute. She's decked out. Wait, hold on. There we go. So I'm trying to keep a positive attitude, but she's definitely stressing me out. She's stressing me out. So Disney with the baby so far is a little stressful, but I'm still ecstatic to be here. Mom, look at the horse and buggy. You can look. I forgot that they did that here. Kyle and I stayed at French Quarter when we were on our honeymoon. Look at this. So pretty, y'all. We're in the building right back there. That lady just walked by us and she's got our luggage from the Magical Express. Talk about coincidence. So she's bringing it to our room. so cute, but I heard they really scratch up the inside of your purse. Y'all, for real, I found a rolling piano. Rolling pianist right here. He's amazing. That's awesome. That thing, he drives that thing, y'all. It actually feels great right now, doesn't it? It's turning into a really nice night. My poor baby's done though, so we're heading back. But I did stop there. I'm pretty excited. All right, we made it back to the hotel. Now we're gonna go in Fulton's General Store.
The guy I buy here for the distance to the store. So I think I'll have a beer. La 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 la. He don't think I'll have a beer. And that brings us back to the I need more dough.
I'm loving these window seats. Mom, Grandma, test out the window seat. Oh my gosh. Look at that baby. Look at this mess this baby's already made. She needed to be back and play, don't you think, Grandma? Yeah. She's feeling much better. So y'all, I promise you, she just stood up on the end of the bed. I watched her, she turned around and absent-mindedly took a step and she fell instantly. So I wouldn't consider it like a first real step. But the fact that she just tried to do it without even thinking about it was kind of awesome. So she just has a dirty diaper. And my mom and I both need to shower. The baby needs a bath. But we have to wait because we're waiting on the crib. We know as soon as we start to do any of those things, they're going to show up. No, she keeps getting into the drawers. So I will show, our room is kind of trashed because like we threw everything everywhere. But we're unpacking and getting tidied up. And then I'll show you guys the room tomorrow.
Have to move all our stuff out.
I know.
We made it through this day.
We did. And I'm happy we're here even with her being a little bit of a difficult. I think tomorrow will be better. Baby wasn't great either, but Grandma was the real. No. Grandma, do you want to hit the button? Show them. I think most people have probably seen, but this is so fun. Look, y'all. We got fireworks. This is so fun. Grandma, there. Oh, thank you. Here we go. Oh, look, Elizabeth. It's fireworks. Oh.
Don't you try to pass off and shoot fireworks for the real
You know
thing.
what, Mom? She doesn't know better. These are from an air-conditioned room.
That's messed up.
Well, I don't have to be embarrassed because she keeps crying. I just had to nurse her on the on the bus ride back. She just wouldn't. She was not having it. So I was like, I'm just gonna have to nurse her and hope no one's looking. But you couldn't see anything. I just whatever. But it was still. We're gonna call it a night. We will talk to everyone tomorrow. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Grandma said bye. Oh, she said bye. Elizabeth, can you say bye? Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
I think they probably heard in the background.